The communications industry is undergoing dramatic but exciting changes. One of the most significant developments is the broadband explosion. The demand for online content is soaring. End users now have significantly higher bandwidth requirements and quality of experience expectations. And much of this content, which is largely video, is free to end users and paid for by advertisers. Similarly, in the enterprise market, the use of cloud computing or internet-based computing is adding to the bandwidth explosion. The wireline broadband experience is now being adopted in the mobile broadband context. Today, mobile subscribers expect their mobile applications to live up to the standards of fixed applications. More and more mobile subscribers are using bandwidth-demanding services such as video and audio streaming, mobile TV, interactive gaming, and personal content management. In addition, the market has been flooded with a whole range of new ecosystem devices. The ease with which these devices offer access to a full range of new data services increases every day. It's clear that the demand for data peak rate and bit rates has exploded and will continue to rise. As a mobile operator, you'd better be ready. By and large, service providers are not monetizing these new bandwidth-hungry services. Instead, much of this new revenue is being captured by non-traditional, resource-rich competitors from adjacent markets. These competitors have radically lower cost bases, from which they can offer innovative and differentiated services. So, to keep up with the growing demand for bandwidth, service providers are compelled to continuously rescale their networks. This is an extremely expensive operation, made even more complex because of legacy infrastructure and service portfolios. To summarize, the rapidly increasing load on the network and the need to scale and converge large complex networks is driving up costs, while revenue growth is stagnating. This is creating an unsustainable business model for the telecom industry. Alcatel-Lucent has devised a strategy to help telecom operators overcome the challenges we've described and return to a path of sustainable growth. The foundation of this strategy is called the High Leverage Network, or HLN. The High Leverage Network addresses the two key customer challenges: how to reduce costs and how to generate new revenues. So, how does the High Leverage Network reduce costs and generate revenues? Firstly, the HLN reduces costs by converging network domains and reducing the number of platforms, as well as by migrating to an all-IP infrastructure. These measures enable continuously scalable bandwidth from the access to the core, with the lowest total cost of ownership. Secondly, revenues can be generated by the network elements themselves, which become multi-service elements. This allows service providers to generate incremental revenue by offering new services. Revenue growth can also be stimulated by embedding intelligence in the network. This embedded intelligence in the high leverage network facilitates the creation of revenue-generating applications and services at the application layer. To implement this strategy of scalable bandwidth and embedded intelligence in a high leverage network, best-of-breed capabilities in the following four key technologies are required: wireline and wireless broadband access, IP, and optics. Alcatel-Lucent is a technology leader in all of these areas. In addition to technological leadership, Alcatel-Lucent has the transformation expertise to guide each service provider in their individual evolution to a high leverage network.